So first we'll talk about the wiring of the whole thing. And so we use a continuity test with the multimeter to realize that the white and black didn't actually follow the normal convention, and the white wire is our hot wire, our hot lead. And so we use this terminal strip to have each of the relays connected in parallel. And then from the normally closed terminal of the relay goes to the hot contacts for each of the receptacles. And then the relays are connected to the pins on the Arduino. And then we have the radios, which will talk to each other. Wires come into the receptacle, and then we have the neutral wires connected in parallel. Each one goes to the next receptacle, and then this first receptacle has its neutral wire come out to the neutral of the wall. And then we also have the green ground wire, which is connected to each receptacle. On the Arduino, we have the 8 pins that control each of the 8 channels of the relay. When the radio receives a signal, it will determine which pin to power, or pins to power, which will allow the current to flow and power the individual receptacles. This is the sender Arduino. It also has radio. These two also talk to each other. And then this is the PIR sensor. And we use a USB shield so that you could easily change whichever controller you want to use. Each hot lead is individually connected to a channel on the relay. So for example, this would be channel 3 and this would be channel 4 on the relay. And then on the other side there are the 2 neutral wires, which are connected by this little tab right here where it's cut on the other side, and then they carry it along in parallel all the way down. And then lastly there are the ground wires, which are also in parallel, and then they come out of the box here to this green wire. Alright, so now we have our unit supplied by the wall, and as you can see right now all the relays are off, and we have a little application over here just so that we could turn each one on and off. So we'll start with turning on outlet 1, and see the light comes on, and then each outlet in the array is individually adjustable, so we can do each of the odd ones right now. So each odd relay should be powered, which should turn each odd outlet on. And then, so we can remove this and move to this one, which should be in code of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so if we turn on outlet 6, we should see the light come on, and then back off. And now, for demonstration purposes, we still have the passive infrared sensor, and it is tied to outlet 4, which should be this one. So right now the light's off, and if we trigger the motion sensor, see the light come on, and the timer is only about 5 seconds right now, but you can change that to however much time you want to have it wait.